Today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on account down, just click on it. Would you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on account information, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then just click here on become a subscriber here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, click here on start your free trial. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then here add credit or debit card here. Would you just add it here, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.